What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Yes, I was wrong in my previous video. I was looking for pullback, and that went parabolic with Bitcoin dominance dropping. So I'll give you guys a quick update just to make up for yesterday's video, as you guys are chewing me up in the comments. So we're sitting, at 0.067, up 0.29 on the day. Let me refresh that quickly. Sitting at a market cap. No, we're up way more. Yeah, I knew we were up way more than that. We're up 45% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, VET is up an incredible 77%. Market cap, 5.5 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.11 billion. So just a quick update. This is one of our accounts. I was looking at the smaller count yesterday, but of course we went parabolic. So we have off the bear market low. This is a weekly chart. Wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback. Wave 3 target is 0.087. Now, just because this is the wave 3 target, which is the 161.8, doesn't mean it can't overextend. The wave 3 can go all the way up to the 425. That's at 19 cents. It can go, like as you can see here on the previous bull market, it's just absolute mania. Yes, you do have corrections, like right here. This pullback was almost 40%. So it looks small, but when you're going through it, it's painful. But as long as you know what you're doing and you've been through a couple cycles or you're following the right people, you'll know either to buy the dip if you're looking to get in or just to hold strong on your investments. So we have the weekly cross, just as we did right here before we went absolutely parabolic. And that's what we're starting to do. We're just starting to go parabolic. So the wave 3 target is 0.087. If we continue to pump, then it can push all the way to 12 cents in the wave 3, pull back in a 4, and then you push up in a wave 5. And basically that's your first wave 1 of the bull market, where you go like this. Wave 1, you see a wave 2 pullback. You push up in a 3, 4, 5. I do think there's a good chance for VET to go all the way up in between the 40 to 60 cent range. A lot of people are calling for $1. Of course, anything is possible. I'd have to do the math with what the market cap would be at $1. But I think there's a very good chance that you're going to go at least to 40 cents, potentially 60 cents off the bear market low. You're looking at 20x, 2,000%. Yeah, you're looking at a 20x. So absolutely incredible for our friend Vechain. Very strong project. No one was talking about VET in the bear market. We've been talking about it since the previous cycle, but that's basically the way that it goes. So that's what I'm looking at for Vechain. Come on, bro. Why did it just freeze? As we can see with the Bitcoin dominance, we broke the channel. The alt season has started. Many of the alts I'll show you guys are going parabolic right now. Let me just scroll to the top here. Yeah, IOTA, probably do a video on that today. Almost at 40%. Of course, VET is pumping, HBAR, Polygon, Gala Games. Here we go. Very exciting times in the market. If you want completely free access to my trading group, not only includes my daily crypto analysis, we just hit our TP on Matic. We're in multiple trades right now. We'll just quickly let it load up here. Not only do you get my daily crypto analysis for many coins, my exact crypto trade setups, we just hit our take profit on Polygon. We're in multiple trades. You can see what coins I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, as well as my Forex signals. And one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. And you can have completely free access. All you have to do is sign up to Bitinix. Will literally take you 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. It is available worldwide. You get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. We'll take 30 seconds once you sign up. Send me email, completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my trade setups, all my investments, when I'm taking profits, and one of our members posting trade signals all day long. Highly recommend it. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.